Kids in hats, let's start the day. We'll build a shop in a fruity way. Grab the wood, the nails, the glue. A fruit farm shop for me and you. Build, build, build. Build, 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 build. Our shop so sweet, full of fruits for all to eat. Apples, bananas, and mango delight. Our fruits fill loot shop shining bright. Time to paint and decorate. Brush in hand, let's paint the wall. Red and yellow, big and small. Fresh fruits waiting just for you. Build, build, build. Build, build, build. Our shop's so sweet, full of fruits for all to eat. Orange, pear, and berry bright. Our fruit shop's pure delight. Let's fill it up. Pick the fruits from trees so high. Wash them clean and stack them dry. Fill the baskets row by row. Our fruit farm shop is good to go. Hooray! We did it! Hooray, hooray, we built it right. Fruity colors shining bright. Kids worked hard, had so much fun. Our fruit farm shop is #1. See you next time. Our fruit shop's done. Hooray, hooray, we built and learned in a fun-filled way. Fruits so fresh, colors so bright. Thanks for singing with us. What a delight!